Welcome to Ilagan Whiteboard Friday, where we look at complex legal and compliance issues in a simple to do way. This series is brought to you by Ilagan, your partner and provider of end-to-end business services.
Hi, welcome to Ilagan Whiteboard Fridays, where we look at complex tax and compliance issues in a user-friendly manner. I am Naveen, your host for today, and we will look at Importer-Exporter IEC, that is Import-Export Code. What is IEC? An IEC is a type of a license which you need to get registered for whenever you are doing any commercial activity cross-border. If you are just getting money from your friends and family, you don't need an IEC, or even if you are getting an investment from somebody in foreign, you don't need an IEC. You need an IEC whenever you are doing business with foreign individual or companies. So this is only whenever you do business, not for investments and all. So that is what IEC is. So why it is needed? In order to effectively monitor and control the various inflows and outflows of foreign exchange. The government has introduced this license so that they can effectively monitor. So who should go for IEC? IEC is applicable to anybody who is doing a commercial activity. So for example, you can do it as an individual. You can just be a freelancer and offering services to somebody in US, UK or any other place. Then also you need an IEC. Many times people think that I am just doing it as an individual. Do I really need it? Yes, you need it. You can take an IEC registration right on your name. Say for example, Naveen Kumar, I can take an IEC registration on Naveen Kumar itself with my savings account. You don't need to have a current account for that. But if you are taking an IEC registration in any other name, say for example a business name, then you need a current account. So anybody who is doing a commercial activity, you should take an IEC. Recently there was a huge hue and cry for the PayPal transactions. So that was a move RBI did so as to track a lot of money that was coming in and going out. So typically whenever you are making any imports, that is you are making a payment outside India, those has to be properly tracked for various taxes issues and stuff, and a proper process needs to be followed. So that's why they banned all transactions from PayPal where you can make a payment outside India. For receiving payments, they have made it small categories. So PayPal also has been insisting on providing an IEC number. But since the amount have reduced a very small thing, they have just now looking at the PAN number where the tracking can be done. So who is going to ask you for an IEC? Whenever you receive any foreign payments, your banker will give you a call, sir, this payment has come, and they will ask to produce an import-export license to credit that amount to your account. So that's the importance of IEC. Quickly, whenever you are doing any commercial transactions outside India, you need an IEC, whether you are importing or just an exporting, of both you need this. It is not needed whenever you are trying to raise money or trying to bring any investment or loan from a friend, relative, investor, company. This is not needed. That's it on IEC. I hope you have got it. If you have any more queries, you can talk to us at support@ilagan.com, or you can also check our knowledge base at ilagan.com/kb. Thank you.